Fourth problem, a room 12.5 meter long, that is the length of the room is given as 12.5 meters, and 10.5 meter wide, that is the breadth, is surrounded by a veranda 2 meter wide. Since you can see the length and breadth both are different, that means it is a rectangle. So rectangular room, and there is a veranda 2 meter wide all around it. So the room is surrounded by a veranda. Find the area occupied by the veranda. That it is like the same how we have done for the path. So this is nothing but the path only, path around the square or rectangle, you can see. So we will find out, but before that let us draw it, or you can say, just I will put the picture of this. So this is the picture of the veranda. Now let us start the solution. So here we have to take the room. So this, the inside, this one is the room. So A, B, C, D is the room. So let us write down, let A, B, C, D be a room. Next, here the length is given as, length of the room is 12.5. So 12.5 meter, and breadth B is, you can say B or you can say BC. So breadth BC is 10.5 meter, 10.5 meter. So now we are having length and breadth. We can find out the area. So first we will find out the area of the room. So area of the room A, B, C, D is equals to length into breadth. So length is 12.5 into 10.5. Now let us multiply this, 125 and 105. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, plus 2 is 12, 5 1s are 5, plus 1 is 6. So 0 into anything is 0. Next is 1, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So here there is a mistake. So I have to write it. This is a, now let us multiply with 1. So 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So 5, 2, 6 plus 5 is 11, 3, 1. So 1 3, 1 2 5. Now let us write down 1 3 1 2 5. We can see the decimals after decimal, one digit after decimal, one digit. So there are two digits after decimal. So we can write down square meter. Now we are having the area of the room. Next is, the room is surrounded by 2 meter wide veranda. So let us write down that one. The room is surrounded. So the room is surrounded by a 2 meter wide veranda. So now the length of the veranda will get increased. If we see the length including the veranda, then we will get like this. Here the veranda, we will take it as PQRS. So the length PQ of the rectangle PQRS, the length PQ will be, first we will write down 12.5 12.5 plus we have to add 2 meter on both the sides, so we will get 2 plus 2, that will be 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, so 16.5 meter. Next is breadth. Breadth is 10.5, and here the breadth is QR. So QR, we need to add 4 to 10.5, so we will get 2 plus 2, so that will be 14.5 meter. Now we are having the length and the breadth. We need to find out the area of the rectangle. So therefore, area of the rectangle PQRS is length into breadth we need to do. So PQ into QR. So we will get 16.5 into 14.5. Let us multiply 16, 165 and 145. So 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30 plus 2 is 32, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24 plus 2 is 26, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 is 6. Next, 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. So 5, 2, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 5 is 19. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So 2. So we got 2, 3, 9, 2, 5. Since the after decimal there are 2 digits, so we will get 2 digits and meter square for the area. Next, we are having the areas of both, that means inside inner rectangle and the outer rectangle. So we can easily find out the area of the veranda, that is area of the path, you can say. So we will write down here, therefore area of veranda is equals to, first we will write down area of the rectangle. The bigger rectangle is PQRS, so PQRS minus area of the rectangle ABCD. Now if we subtract, the first value is the value of the bigger rectangle is 239.25. we have to subtract 131.25 from it. So we will get 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, no need of writing that because they are after the decimal. 9 minus 1 is 8, 3 minus 3 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 108 meter square. So lastly we can write, hence area of the veranda is 108 meter square.